Shopify App Store. You need these 5 apps. Are you running an online store? Having trouble finding the right apps to boost your sales? Discover 5 essential Shopify apps that you need to add to your stores to increase conversions and maximize your revenue. The first app, Currency Converter application, and it is called Nova Multi-Currency Converter. And you can add it to your Shopify store. You can use this application or you can use this one, Best Currency Converter, as well. So let's go ahead and install one of these applications and show you how it works. So we just install this application right here by clicking on the install app button. To set it up, you just have to follow these steps. All right, step number 1 is to go to your store settings and change the currency formatting. We just got to do that. We click on this link right here. It opens up right here in another tab and you can see this store currency. Now we just simply click on change formatting. We just simply say I've completed this step. Step 2 is to copy these things right here, these snippets. So from store currency settings section, step 1, HTML with currency, we're going to copy this snippet. We're going to come over here, HTML with currency. We're going to paste this snippet right here. And I think we're supposed to paste it in here as well. HTML without currency. Here we go. Then we paste it right here. We've done this. Now we click on continue, click on verify and finish installation. I need to save this as well. There we go. Now it works. We just need to go ahead and switch on the currency bar and preview the currency bar on the store. Click on show all currency. Then we just, add some details right here and it should be good to go. Also have it on as well. And it should work. Now we just simply go ahead and preview it in another tab. I'm gonna open it up right here. And here we go. I think it's over here in the bottom left corner. We can change the position of it as well. Let me go ahead and change it to top left. Reload this. There we go. I think over here, this is the currency converter. So we just go with euro. And as you can see now, it's everything. All the items are in Europe. Euros, pounds, very simple, very easy. Helps with a lot of headaches as well. The next application, frequently bought together. Now this is a bundle application. So what it does in this image, as you can see, someone is trying to buy this product or one product. The frequently bought together app will bundle it with another product right here, as you can see. So if someone is buying these yoga pants, it would make sense to bundle it with a yoga mat as well, this graffiti or whatever that is, and that way it'll become a bundle and it's more enticing and it basically gives you more sales and gives you a bit of leverage as well. So it actually works really well. So as you can see right here, you can create bundles with different applications. You can create bundles with different products in order for you to maximize your profits as well. So this is a very good and useful app to have in your store. I highly recommend that. Now it's not free. As you can see, there is a pricing factor. Do get a 30-day free trial. It is unlimited to $9.99 per month. So keep that in mind. The next application, we have Locks product reviews and photos. This is basically reviews application. What this does is basically gives you reviews on your products, like here in testimonials, like here in these images. You can add reviews and testimonials of your product onto your website. This will help customers trust your product more. This will help you gain trust of your customers and increase sales, and they'll be more likely to buy that product. You're seeing all these reviews and funny pictures along with your products. Definitely do try this out. This is not a free. It also starts at $9.99 per month. They do give you a 14-day free trial and there are additional charges, so keep that in mind. And down below you can see the pricing plan as well. Moving on, we have Klaviyo email marketing and SMS tool application. Now as the name suggests, this is a email marketing tool. This isn't necessary for everyone unless you want to do email marketing. If you don't want to do email marketing, you can go ahead and skip this application. If you want to do email marketing, which I suggest you do because it is important and helpful, Klaviyo is the go-to application for you. The pricing plan right here, it is free to install and you go ahead and use up to 500 contacts, SMS free for up to 150 SMS and MMS credit as well. But if you want to get the most out of it, you're gonna have to go ahead and either choose email or SMS, but you can get both of them as well. So if you want just email, you can go ahead and go with the email plan, which is going to cost you $30 per month. But if you don't want email, just want SMS, then you can go ahead and use the SMS application, which is going to be $15 per month. Now, I have used Klaviyo as well, which is, even though it is not free, there are other applications as well, but so you can go ahead and check those out as well. But in my opinion, Klaviyo works best. That is why I'm suggesting that to you in this application. That is why I am suggesting it to you in this video. Moving on, we have Tractor order tracking application. Usually what people would do, me included in the past, we would add a snippet or a piece of code as a tracking application so that customers can go ahead and track their orders. Now you won't have to do that. It was a little bit tricky to do it. Now it's much more easier. You can just go ahead and install this application onto your store and it will do it for you. Now, there is a pricing plan. It is free, but there is a pricing plan. You also get a 7-day free trial on these plans as well. So as you can see, the starter starts at $9.99, essential is $39.99, and advanced is $99 per month. So almost $100. So you can go ahead and check it out if you want to, but it's very simple. As the name suggests, it basically is a product tracking application, so people can go ahead and track products. You don't have to worry about it. So this is how basically it would look like. You don't need me to show you this because it is very simple and it is self-explanatory. Anyway, these were the 5 applications that you need to have in order for you to advance or scale your Shopify store. And also be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. There are many other videos that I have done on Shopify included that is popping up on the screen. I do recommend you go ahead and check it out.